Hello, my name is Kiwi McGuire, Norwex Independent Consultant, and I am excited to share with you something that is going to revolutionize, to change the way you clean your home without any harmful chemicals. We have a product called the Norwex Probiotic Hard Surface Cleaner, and it is to be used in conjunction with your microfiber. And just wait on just wait till you hear about this. It is amazing. I love it, and I want to go over the science behind it, kind of explain it in layman's terms so you understand why this is something you want and need in your home. So I have been using Norwex microfiber to clean in my house for over 7 years, way over 7 years. And there are other products that I use in conjunction with that. I will use the Norwex degreaser, the descaler, if I have issues with grease or hard water, things like that. And this has become my all-purpose go-to for all of my surfaces. We're talking my granite countertops, my banisters, wood tables, my wood floors, my tile floors, the grout, the crevices, stainless steel, my stove. It is amazing. So let's talk about how it works. And so that you can understand, what do probiotics do in your cleaning supplies? You've probably heard of probiotics in things like supplements. They help get that good bacteria into your gut. They will heal your gut. Well, one of the things that you may or may not know as far as how probiotics work is probiotics create enzymes. Enzymes are a naturally occurring material that breaks down organic matter. Okay, so if you're thinking about your food, like my daughters and I have food sensitivities and allergies, and we can't eat gluten or dairy without an enzyme. So we take an enzyme pill and it breaks down and does what our body can't. So in your cleaning supplies, this concentrate has probiotics that create enzymes. These enzymes are soil specific. Now, what I mean by that is, regardless of this is what blows my mind, because we have enzymes in so many of Norwex's products. But this one is like a broad enzyme that targets all these different soils, all these different, grime that is, in our house and in our lives, and it breaks it down. So I have used it on hard water. I have used it on grease. I have used it on body oils and soils. And as I mentioned, it gets in, or did I mention? It gets into all the cracks, the crevices, the grooves, the grout, right? So all these areas that you can't reach. So when you have probiotics in this cleaner, you use it with our microfiber, and it creates the enzymes that are soil specific. So let's think about doorknobs or a banister or a countertop or the inside of your sink. So just think about different areas that you're like, oh, that could be helpful for me. Your toilet seat, okay? All these areas. You clean them with microfiber alone. It physically removes up to 99% of bacteria from the surface, okay? It's lifting and removing. But now what this does is just wait, okay? What this does is the probiotics will continue to look for a food source for over 3 days, between 3 and 5 days, but let's just say over 3 days. So for over 3 days, it continues to look for a food source. So whether you clean that doorknob or that sink or the banister, and then little Timmy comes running down the staircase, maybe has some peanut butter on his hands, maybe has some dirt and grime or who knows what, this will continue to clean after you have cleaned for over 3 days. Like, moms, can you feel me out here that you need something to work for you? Because that's me. I need something to work for me. So I love that whether I'm talking, sorry, my hair's in my face, whether you're looking at the handles of your stainless steel or just anything around your home, it is going to clean even more efficiently and then continue to clean for you. Now, the best part, and this is going to be, I'm going to throw out a science term for you guys, is that it does not, how should I phrase it best? There's no slippage. Now, I didn't know what slippage was at first, and then I learned about it. So basically, no harmful residues left behind on the surface. So it is still going doing work, but it's not leaving any harmful chemicals behind, so that you do not have to worry the surface is safe. When you're using traditional cleaners, especially things like wipes, one, they're a toxic chemical. Two, you're supposed to wipe them down with a cloth and water afterwards, and there is slippage. And so you have a harmful residue that shouldn't be in contact with your skin, with food that you're eating, for your pets. So this product also, I mentioned the wood floors, I mentioned the grout. This is approved to go in our Norwex spray mop attachment, and it will get the areas that you cannot reach unless you're up there with a toothbrush and you're on your hands and knees. So just using our spray mop attachment, spray in the probiotics that creates the enzymes are going to go to town, and they're going to continue to work and clean. So, and then again, without that slippage, and then it also greatly decreases redusting. So what redusting is when, let's say you dust a surface and then all of a sudden you see dust again. This is going to continue to work. It's going to break down the particles that are inside dust. So you're looking at a revolutionary type of clean. Buy this concentrate, the Forever Spray bottle, your surfaces will look amazing. I'm talking your windows, your mirrors, your stainless steel, your floors, every surface. You can add this and it is going to be amazing. And of course, still use it with our favorite Bert and Ernie, the EnviroCloth and window cloth, but really any of our microfiber. But the EnviroCloth with this, and it's amazing. Let me know if you have any questions. This is a product that I think everybody should have in their home. Last thing to wrap up is it is especially great for people like myself who have hard water. It is for everybody, but if you have hard water, you especially want this. I have gotten the lime off of my door, my shower door. I've gotten it off the granite around the sink. I've used it on the greasy stoves top, as I've mentioned. So all of your different surfaces, this is your new all-purpose cleaner. Have a great day.